lovely people, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to do spicy chili fried chicken. So here we have our chicken. I've already cut it already. I've washed it and cut it. Then here I have ginger and garlic that I'm going to mince. Then we are going to go to the next step. So guys, here I have my minced garlic and ginger. I have my chili. I have my fresh rosemary, and I have some lime. So I'm going to squeeze some lime here. Squeeze some lime. Then I put my minced garlic and ginger. So I've just mixed it up. Then I'll put my chili and mix it up too. So guys, our mixture is ready. As I said before, I added salt, then I added some lime, then I added my minced ginger and garlic, then I added my fresh rosemary. Then now I'm going to add some few black pepper. Then I'm going to leave it for an hour to marinate. Then you are going to fry it. But before frying it, I'll add some flour. So let me show you. So as you can see, I've added some black pepper. Let me mix it up. That's some few black pepper. Let me mix it up. So guys, I've mixed up my black pepper. Then I will add this chicken spice mix. I usually buy it. It's a chicken spice mix. Then I'll just add it. Then mix it up again. So guys, after mixing up with the chicken spice, I added some wheat flour, just few. Then I'll mix it up together, as you can see. So guys, this is our mixture. As you can see, it has a very beautiful color. So our mixture is ready. So I'm going to cover it up and leave it for 1 hour to marinate. Then we'll fry our chicken. Guys, I'm going to cook my chicken with chips. So as we are waiting for our chicken to marinate, I'm going to prepare my chips. So let me cut my potatoes. So guys, my potatoes are ready, cleaned up. So let me cut them now into chips. So guys, our chips are already cut. So we will go into cooking the chips, then we will fry the chicken.